Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw Peppa Pig and George Pig waking up the grandparents. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Grandma Pig. Let's draw her eyes and eyelashes, then her nose and the shape of her head. She holds her mouth like this, so she looks surprised and scared. And a circle for her cheek. She is under the blanket. I draw her body and her arms. Now I draw Grandpa Pig next to her. His eyes, his nose, and his shape of his head. Let's draw his mouth. So, what is happening? They are in bed. He has a beard like Daddy Pig. I put his hat on his head. It is a sailor hat. I draw his body. Now I draw Peppa Pig on the bed. I draw her eyes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth and a circle for her cheek. I draw her body and her arms. She is wearing pajamas. I draw her tail. In front of her, I draw an orange, a bubble blower, and a piece of paper. Last but not least, let's draw George Pig. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. In his hands, he holds a flashlight, an orange, and also a piece of paper. Now I see the little pigs just woke up their grandparents. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Grandma Pig. I use pink for her skin. Light purple for her cheek. Then light red for her mouth. For her floral pajamas, I use purple. Then light green. And yellow. Now let's color Grandpa Pig. For his skin, I use this pink marker. For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. For his striped pajamas, I use blue. And I color his sailor hat with dark blue. For his bed, I use orange. Then I color her blanket blue. Now let's color Peppa Pig. To start, I use this pink marker for her skin. Then I use light purple for her cheek. For her mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. I color her pajamas with fuchsia. For the orange, I use orange. Then I color the paper with purple, green, and yellow. Now let's color George Pig. For George Pig's skin, I'm going to use the same pink marker because he is a pink pig like his sister Peppa. I also color his cheek light purple. For his mouth, I use 2 different shades of red. His pajamas are going to be light green. Then I use orange. For the flashlight, I use yellow and light blue. How amazing! Finally, I add a little orange in the background. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.